Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to write uppercase letter J. Let's start. Tracing letters. J. To write J, start with the straight line from top to bottom. Then add a curve to the left at the bottom. First, start with the straight line from top to bottom. Then add a curve to the left at the bottom. Let's repeat again. Start with the straight line from top to bottom. Then add a curve to the left at the bottom. Let's trace letter J. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.